Imagine the universe as a baby, not silent, but filled with sound. The cosmic microwave background, CMB, is a snapshot of this early universe. It is a faint echo of the Big Bang. In the beginning, the universe was a hot, dense plasma. Alright. Sound waves, or acoustic oscillations, rippled through it. These sound waves left their imprint on the CMB. Scientists analyzed the CMB's power spectrum. These sound waves influence the distribution of matter, shaping the large-scale structure of the universe that we see today. By studying these cosmic sounds, scientists can learn about the universe's age, composition, and evolution. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that you are hearing a faint echo of the universe's first symphony.